This is the Plumbeeze 13YH-P01 plunger. Now this plunger fits several different Plumbeeze hydrants as well as Beauchart. So we'll start with a couple dimensions after we take a closer look at it. So right here near the end of the plunger, you can see that little groove there. And then coming down to the end, we've got our set of internal or female threads. And then with the dimensions, we're going to measure total length first. Now keep in mind, an old plunger and a new plunger of course will measure slightly different, just because that existing plunger has been working and a lot of that rubber could be deteriorated. So total length right out of the box, it's going to be right at 2 inches. We can also get an outer diameter of the rubber, as close as I can. This will be right at about an inch, could be a little less. And then outer diameter here at the threads, it's going to be right at about 5/8 of an inch, and then an inner diameter going to be right at about 1/4 of an inch. And once again, this is the Plumbeeze 13YH-P01 plunger assembly for the Plumbeeze and Beauchart yard hydrants.